Hi kids, today we're gonna cover some consonants. And so we start with letter B. B says ba as in bell. B says ba, ba. Okay, then we have C says ka as in cat. C says ka, ka, ka. Then we have D says da as in dog. D says da, da, da. Then we have F says f as in fox. F says f, f, f. Okay, so then we have the new letter consonant for today is L. Letter L says O as in lamp. L says O, O, O as in lamp. Okay, so that's the new letter for today. I should be able to come back to you in a couple of days. We'll learn a new letter and review the rest of the consonants. God bless you. Bye.